Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to discuss about git reset command. Git reset command is used to delete our commit history. Be careful when we are going to use this because it is going to delete your commit history. Git reset is coming with the three various options like git hard reset, soft reset, and the hybrid reset or a default reset. We want to understand all these three, and the best idea is to compare them, and if you compare them, you will get better understanding. Here I want git repo with 4 commits. We are going to create this and then we are going to use all these three options with this git repo. Here I am inside my git test folder. Right now I don't have any directory. I am going to create one directory mkdir and giving name like a hard. First of all, we are going to use hard reset. Going inside this. Okay, now this is not git repo, so I am going to create this. Here I want 4 commits, so creating one file, echo first change, and here I am giving name file1, git add file1, git commit -m version 1 added. Now another commit I want, so I am giving second change, going to use double greater than because we want to add new line. Okay, git add file1, and here it is git commit version 2. Then going to add another commit, so third file1, git add file1, and here we have version 3, and we are going to add final changes. So fourth change file1, going to add this, and here it is version 4. Okay, you can verify this git log and look at this. I have 4 commits, version 1, version 2, version 3 and version 5. If you look at the file, okay, cat file1, you will see this. Here we have 4 lines, first change, second change, third and fourth. Now we want same repo and we want to apply hard command in one repo, soft in the second, and the default one is in the third, right? So what I am doing, I am going to come out from this. Okay, now here I am going to create multiple directory. Okay, I am going to copy this. So I am going to say copy r -r, copy which hard, and I want to copy this to the soft. Okay, so I will have another repo. Look at this. Here I have hard and soft. Okay, I am going to create another. Okay, I am going to give name default _1. Okay, so it will create another repo with the default _1 and default _2, because for default I want to explain you 2 options. So right now if you look at this, okay, we have soft, hard, default 1 and default 2. All these 4 repo having 4 commits and they are identical commits over there. First of all, let's discuss about the hard. So going inside the folder hard, okay, here we have 4 commits. Now I'm going to use the command git reset. What I want to remove these commits, okay, version 3 and 4. I want to remove these commits from the history, and I also want to remove whatever the changes that we have made using version 3 and 4. Okay, understand the requirement. I want to remove these commits from the history, and I also want to remove the changes that we have made in the file 1 from these commits 3 and 4. In this case, you will use git reset hard command. Okay. Now I want to go back to the version 2, right? So I'm going to copy this as 5 characters. Okay. Now look at this, what I'm doing. I'm going to say git reset. Okay. I'm going to say hard. And here I'm going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Copy it is going to delete commit 3 and 4, whatever the subsequent commit I have after the version 2, and it is also going to remove these commits, these changes from the file. Okay, so removing history, also removing changes from the file. So let's say that paste. Here is now on add 44C, whatever the 4622597 here. And if I'm going to give the command git log, look at this. My head is on now commit 2, version 2. And if I'm going to open the file, cat file 1, okay, you will see this. All the changes after commit 2 has been removed from the file. Okay, this is hard reset. It is very important that when you are going to use hard reset, please take care, because it is going to remove the changes, also remove the commit history. So before you are going to use git hard reset command, it is recommended that push your git repo into the remote repo, so you have these commits over there. Okay, for the safety reason. So this is the first command known as git reset hard, and git reset hard remove version 3 and 4 from the commit history, and also remove changes in the file. Now I am going to the folder soft. Okay, so I am going to the cd soft. Okay, here we are going to use soft command, and we are going to understand what is happening, what is the effect of the soft. Okay, now here we have like a for log, for git commits, okay, version 1 and version 2 and version 3 and version 4. Now I am going to give same command. Okay, so here I am going to use git reset. Here I am going to use switch soft, and 1 2 3 4 5, right? I am going to copy this and pasting this. Now git reset soft command is actually removing, okay, it is going to remove your commits. It is going to remove subsequent commits like version 3 and 4. It is going to remove commits only, but it is not going to change your file. In your file, there will be a commit 1, whatever the changes you have made from the commit 1, 2, 3, 4. So in your main file, there is no changes. It is just going to delete commit history. That is what the use case. Okay. So there is no changes in the file. In the file, you will get all the changes that you have made from the version 1, version 2, version 3 and version 4. Okay. Let's verify this. Say. Done. Now, let me open the file. See, cat file 1. Let's see the commit first. See git log. Look at this. Commit history of version 3 and version 4 removed. Right? Commit history of version 3 and 4 removed. But if you open the file, cat file 1, okay, you have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you have no changes in the file. You have all the edits in your file is available. So git soft reset is just used to remove commits from the history. Okay. And your file is already in the staging area. Okay. So if I'm going to give command git status, file is in my staging area. Now, what I want to remove 3 and 4. I removed version 3 and 4 commits. It has been removed, right? But there is no changes in the file. So let's say that if I have version 3 and 4 that I have removed, but I want to create another commit which combine 3 and 4. So I can do this because I have no changes in the file. Okay. So let me do this. I'm going to say git, because file is already in the staging area. So I'm going to give the command git commit.
Hello everyone, sorry to disturb you. I am sure you guys are enjoying our Git GitLab course. If you want full access of this course having 83 videos, you can enroll it from our portal. First 100 students will get special discount. there is some limitation on YouTube. We are unable to give you support. But once you become our community member, our instant support is included, lifetime updation, completion certification, and additionally, weekly lifetime live session with our expert Bhavesh Atal. We want to improve your skills anyhow, so that's why we added 5 projects as well. We are also available on Udemy. Still, you have any doubts, any queries, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.